You probably see Cybertrucks every day in all kinds of colors. But do you actually know how that transformation happens? Today, we're showing you the real way with matte black color PPF. Our preparation is one of the most important parts of the entire process. And to be honest, not every shop shows this behind-the-scenes work because it takes time and discipline. Even though the Cybertruck isn't painted, contamination is still there. Dust from transport, road film, and tiny metal particles can stick to the surface, and once the film goes on, everything underneath becomes visible. PPF is like a clear lens. It doesn't hide imperfections, it highlights them. That's why we use a pH-neutral soap, clean water, and clean, soft mitts. We also use a clay bar to remove bonded particles that a normal wash won't catch. And we finish by drying with an air blower to reduce contact and prevent micro scratches. The tools matter just as much as the technique, because the right tools keep the surface safe, and that's what leads to a cleaner, smoother installation. Once the surface is ready, the next part is preparing the film itself. This is where coverage really starts on the computer, not on the panel. We set up the patterns in our software and adjust them with extra material when possible so we can fully wrap edges and extend coverage. That extra space is what helps the film disappear into the panel instead of stopping short and leaving visible lines. After the patterns are dialed in, we cut the film on the plotter for clean, consistent cuts. Then we weed the excess material, separate each piece, and organize the patterns so everything is ready for a smooth, efficient installation. The last step before installation is removing a few small pieces on the Cybertruck. We do this to extend the film deeper, wrap edges properly, and achieve a truly flawless, seamless finish. Now the installation is where everything comes together. This is the part most people think is just laying film, but real PPF work is precision, patience, and control. We install panel by panel, keeping the film clean, aligned, and under the right tension. Too much stretch can create distortion. Not enough control can leave fingers, lift lines, or edges that fail over time. So every pass, every squeegee stroke, and every corner is done with intention. And this is where our process stands out. We don't aim for good enough coverage, we aim for maximum coverage. That's why we extend patterns whenever possible, and we wrap edges whenever possible. Instead of stopping short and leaving a visible line, we tuck the film deeper so it disappears into the panel. That detail does two big things. First, it makes the installation look invisible, like it came that way from the factory. Second, it helps prevent dirty edges, because exposed edges are where dust and buildup start to collect. When the film is set, we check every edge, every transition, and every corner. No bubbles, no gaps, no rough cuts. Just clean lines, wrapped edges, and a finish that looks as aggressive as it is protected.
Yeah.
Now we move into sealing, and this is the final touch of perfection. A lot of installs can look good at first glance, but sealing is where you separate an average job from a professional one. And it's one of the biggest reasons our work stands out at Xtreme. Sealing is where we go back through every edge, every corner, and every transition point. We make sure the film is fully set, the edges are tight, and everything is sitting exactly where it should. Because if an edge isn't sealed correctly, that's where dirt starts building up. That's where water can work its way in, and that's where lifting can begin over time. This is also where wrapped edges matter most. When the film is extended and tucked properly, sealing locks it in and helps the installation stay clean and invisible. No exposed lines, no dirty edges, no shortcuts. At Xtreme, we treat sealing like quality control. It's the moment we slow down, check every detail, and make sure the wrap looks factory and stays that way. That's the difference between a wrap that looks good for a week and a wrap that looks right for the long run. And here's the final result. A full matte black Cybertruck with a finish that looks bold, clean, and completely transformed. But the best part is, it's not just a new look, it's protection built into the upgrade. If you want to change the color and protect the surface at the same time, color PPF is the smarter choice over vinyl. Vinyl is mainly about appearance. PPF is designed for protection first, so it helps defend against rock chips, road debris, and daily wear while still delivering that custom look. And if you want that result to look seamless, clean, and truly high-end, the shop you choose matters. Because with PPF, the installation is everything. So if you're ready to stand out, protect your vehicle, and do it the right way, choose Xtreme Auto Glass and Window Tint. This is the Xtreme standard.